Hey everyone, welcome back to technical-santosh-ji. In this video, let's learn about a very important topic, IAM. IAM means Identity and Access Management. It, it helps us keep our AWS account safe and organized. Let's understand it step by step. IAM allows you to manage users' permissions and access inside your AWS account. Think of it like this: if AWS is a big house, IAM controls who can enter, which room they can go to, and what they can do. With IAM, you don't need to give your main account root login to everyone. And always remember, never use root login, right? Because you know, if root login if you forget the password, so it will be complicated to retrieve your account, right? So always use IAM users as a IAM users, okay, so that if you forget the password, you are able to retrieve your IAM account, right, with the help of root user. You can create IAM users for your team or yourself with limited permissions. IAM helps you create users, set rules called policies, control access, enable extra security like MFA. So it's all about security and permission management. So let's start IAM users. Let's understand three main parts of IAM. IAM users, a person who logs into AWS like you or your developer. Each user gets a username, password, and limited access. Right. IAM groups. What is IAM groups? A collection of users. You can give one permission to a group and all users in that group will get it. You don't need to provide access to every users. You just need to create a group and add those users in the particular group and apply the permission and policies to that group, so every users in that group will get the same access, right? And if I'm talking about IAM roles, it's like a permission set for AWS services or other accounts. Example, EC2 can use a role to access S3 without username or password. Now I'm going to show you how to create an IAM users step by step. So let's click on users and click on create user. Give the username like Santosh and provide user access to the AWS management console, right? I want to create an IAM users. Okay. Now there is two option: auto generated password and custom password. So I don't want auto generated password. I want to create my password. Okay. Now, if you want, user must create a new password at next sign in. So you can tick here. If you don't, so untick this box and then click on next. There are three permission options. You can see here, add users to a group. So add users to group means let's suppose that you have created 4 to 5 users, right? And you have to give the permission by one, right? If you don't want to give the permission one by one, so you can just need to create a group and assign that particular permission to that particular group and add all the 4 users in that group, so users will get the access with the help of group. If you want, existing users permissions will be applicable on this particular user, so you need to click here, copy permissions, right, and attach policies directly. It's mean you don't need to create a group. You can directly assign a permission to this user, right? I will suggest Let's create a group first. So I have already created a group 1 with Amazon S3 full access, right? So I will tick this box and click on next. You can also add a new tags, it is optional. Now click on create users. User is creating, right? You can email sign in instruction to this user, and right, and also you can download .csv file. I don't want to download it because I know the password. Now let's copy this and return to user list. Now let's switch to the new encounter window and paste here. So as you can see here, account ID is reflecting here, but I don't want to use this account ID. For this thing, I will click on dashboard, and as you can see here, you can see here account ID is mentioned here. So it's quite difficult to learn this number. So let's create a account alias. Okay, click on create alias. So as you can see here, alias is created. Now copy this, okay, and open the incognito window, paste, okay. Now I need to put the IAM users. Click on sign in. So as you can see here, my user is logged in, right? So I have given this user to S3 only, right? So this user can do only S3 related works, right? S3 related task. So create S3 buckets and upload the files. If this user wants to create instances like EC2, don't worry, I will let you know what is EC2 and other things. So if this user want to create it, user will not be able to do that. Instances, as you can see here, Santosh is not authorized to perform because I haven't given this user to EC2 access. I have given only S3 buckets access, so this user will do only S3 related works, right? Let me give you security best practices is always use IAM users, not the user root account. Set strong passwords, enable MFA, multi-factor authentication for extra security, use IAM roles for automation and services. IAM helps you to protect your cloud environment like a digital security guard. Whenever you create anything like EC2 instance, buckets and IAM roles or IAM users, so you need to delete that, right? Cause this is the free tier account, so you have to delete the things after the project, right? Let's suppose that I have created a user Santosh and I'm going to delete this, right? Type confirm and click on delete user. Also I have created the groups, so I will go to the user group, select this group and delete it. Delete. Okay, so friends, today you learn what is IAM, the difference between IAM users, group and roles, how to create a user in AWS step by step, best security practices, In the next video, we will start working with AWS services like S3, Simple Storage Services. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for Technical Santosh-ji.